This is alligator country. Check out these swamplands. These turtles just don't
Oh,
move.
see, look, its head moved.
They're like stiff. There you go. Oh, its head moved. But it's a crocodile or an alligator?
I don't know.
Alligator.
It's an alligator?
Mama, I remember once we...
Who would win in a fight? Me or the crocodile? Who would you bet on?
Are you really asking this question?
What'd you do to beat a crocodile? Like kick him in the face?
No,
gouge his eyes out?
What I would do, I will hold his snout.
Hold his snout?
Yes.
But that's just
Yes,
making
no,
sure he doesn't bite you. Like, what do
Yes.
you do to like actually win the battle?
I don't want to kill him.
You don't want to kill him?
No.
But survival of the fittest. You've got to survive.
No, you surrender.
You surrender. Well, he's not going to listen to surrender.
Run away. Run away.
Natalia says that if you get in a fight with a crocodile, you've got to hold its beak closed. Or no, what's it called? It's not a
Snout?
beak. Snout. You got to hold its snout closed. And what, until he gets bored and goes away or what?
No, I don't know. They will bite you then. If you're a mean person, then you will hurt it.
Okay, there you go.
Here, right here, right here.
Uh-oh.
I found one for me. I don't have room in my
Check
phone.
it out.
Oh, but this one is small.
There's a bigger one.
See, I could take this guy. I could take this guy in a fight.
That's mean. Leave him alone.
Why do you want to take that?
I'm just saying
Look, it's moving.
I'm just saying if it was me, if it were me or the alligator, I'm following one here.
Probably like, yes, and it's green. Yeah, that was one. I'm gonna give it here, Mommy. For is it pretty good?
Que me cuente la historia de esa fantasma.